Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 2, and in our last class you all know that we have discussed about the mean, median, mode. Also we have done question number 1. So in today's session let's discuss about question number 2. So question number 2 state that the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So these are the runs which are scored by 11 players, okay, in a cricket match. So you have to find the mean, you have to find the mode, median of this data. Are these three same? That also we have to find. So mean, you all know from the very beginning we are doing about mean. Mean means sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Yes, so this is the mean, right? And in median means the middlemost value. Median, I have given you the formula. If the observation, if n means if suppose number of observation n is odd, then we have one formula, and the formula is n plus 1 divided by tooth term. So whichever term you will get, that is third term, fourth term or fifth term, that value from the given data is the median, right? I have given only for the odd, not for even I will be giving you soon in the next other class I will be giving. Okay, so next we have is mode. Mode, you all know, the number whose frequency is most. So whichever number is having the most frequency or the number of repetition maximum time, that will be considered as mode. Very easy thing. So this concept we have already dealt in the last class, right? So now in this session we will be doing question number 2 using the help of this formula only. Okay, so you can see the data here, right? Using the same data we have to find the mean. Okay, so what is the mean? Mean, you all know, sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. So I have given you the formula here, that is the mean is sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. So I am not writing the formula again, I am directly writing the value. Sorry, it is 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15, right? So it is 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 100 80 10 15 8 10 15 8 10 15. So when you add this, and what will be the total number of observation? It is 11 player runs scored by the 11 player, so it will be 11 divided by 11. So what will be the, on addition, what will be the value? So I have added this, I got the value 421 after adding and divided by 11. So when you divide this, now you have to divide with 11. 429 divided by 11, you will get the value 39. So 1139 is 429. Okay, so this is how we do mean, right? So this is not very unfamiliar term to you all, mean. So mode, next, whenever you are finding the mode and median, first and foremost thing you need to do is the given set of data, the observation of the data or the number of observations should be written in the ascending or in descending form. This should not be forgotten, right? So data should be arranged in the ascending or in descending form. So let's arrange this in ascending form. 6, then comes 8, then 10, then 15 we have how many time? 1 2 3 time. Okay, 3 time we have 15. Then after 15 we have got the number 50. 50 is only one time we have. Then after 50 we have is 80. Okay, 80. After 80, okay, again one mistake I have made here, that is I forgot to write 10 because there are two 10, only one 10 I have written, right? So there are two 10, 50, 80, then comes is 100, than 120. Now do you have 11 observations? Just see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yes, absolutely, it is 11. So what is this 11? N value is our 11. Number of observation is 11. Now what we have to do, we have to find the mode, mean median mode. So what is mode? What I have told you in the last class as well as in today's session also, I have told you that the number whose frequency is most. So in this case, whose frequency do you see is the maximum? So 15 is repeating 3 times, 10 is repeating 2 times. So whose frequency is greater? So 15 frequency is being a greater frequency. So your mode in this given data will be 15. Alright student, so I hope you have understood this. So the sum is very easy. Just you have to understand and remember, whenever you are solving this such problem for mode and median, you have to arrange the given data in ascending or in descending form. Okay, so let's find out now median. So median formula you all know, whenever the observation is odd. So our here in this case, in our case here it is 11, so which is odd. Number of observation here is odd. So if the number of observation is odd, then you will use the formula, that is n plus 1 divided by tooth term. This will be the formula. So what is the value of n? N value is 11, because n value I have already written 11 here, plus 1 divided by 2. So this will not be your median. Okay, you will get the term. Which term will be, we will find later on. So 11 plus 2 is 12, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 divided by 2, it is 6th term. So what is the 6th term here? Just let's check it out. This is your first term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So our 6th term here is 15. So your 5th term, 6th term here is 15, and your median is also 15. Alright children, so we got the mean 39, we got the mode 15, because the maximum frequency of the 15 was maximum, that is 3, and the median using the formula of the odd we got 15. So now we got this. Now our next question is, are these three same? Are these three same? So according to the observation, according to the data which we got, according to the answer which we got of mean, median and mode, no, the three are not same. Why? Because only mode and median are getting matched, but mean is not getting matched, because mean is 39. So this indicates that the three observations, the three mean, median and mode are not same. Okay, so this will be our final thing. So this will be the conclusion. Alright, so this much for today student. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.